Hello dear students, hope you are fine and in good health. So let's introduce myself. I am Mrs. Monica. From now onwards, I will be teaching you English. Children, I know that you have already completed chapter 3, the Kids Club, right? You have done reading of the chapter, understood the chapter. What is important is how to read the chapter, right? Reading in English is very important, right? You have to read SST, science, all the subjects in English. So it is very important for you to be a good reader, right? So today I will start with the sounds, right? We will begin this class today with the sounds. You have already done sounds in class LKG, UKG, class 1, right? Now you are familiar with the sounds, I know, but still we will have a quick revision of it, right? I will speak the sounds and you have to repeat the sounds with me. So let's begin. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds K. D sounds D. E sounds E. F sounds F. G sounds G. H sounds H. I sounds I. J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. M sounds M. N sounds N. O sounds O. P sounds P. Q sounds Q. R sounds R. S sounds S. T sounds T. U sounds A. V sounds V. W sounds W. X sounds X. X sounds X. Y sounds Y. Z sounds Z. Okay children, revised? Now once again you will rewind the video and see the sounds. Listen to it very carefully and practice with these sounds, reading all the words. So let's begin now reading. These are the words which I have taken from your chapter which you have done, right? And how to use the sounds, and with the help of sounds how to read these words. You know that in class 1 also you have done and other classes also. CH is ch. Just revision. CH is ch. And SH is sh. Ch, sh. Ch, sh. Okay? Remember this. Now, come to the first line. Now this word you don't have to read CHAPTER. No, this is not the way you will be able to get what it is written. If any new word comes to you, you want to read it. If you find difficulty, now you have to use the sound, right? Ch. How to read? Ch. A. Cha. Ch. A. Cha. P. Chap. T. Ter. Chapter. Chapter 3. Right? Next line. The. This is at the end. Speak. The. Last very short sound of E is there. So this is D. K. I. D. S. Kids. What is this? Kids. K. Id. S. Kids. K. L. Cl. k, l, kl, a, b, ab, a, b, ab, club. Got it? So this is how you have to read. This is club, the kids club, right? So easy it has become. So when we use the sound, it becomes easy for us to read any word. Let's come to the first one now. This is a, p, a, r, t, art, up, art, meant, apartment. I repeat, a, r, t, art, meant, apartment. So easy, right? So with the help of the sound of the letters, you have to speak. Let's come to second one. This is b. Don't say bu, no. B. I'm using sound. B. I. L. D. Build. B. Ild. Join this. Build. Ing. Building. B. Ild. Ing. Building. Got it? Next, third. S. T. St. S. T. St. Air. Stair. K. A. K. S. S. St. Air. Stair. K. S. Case. Stair. Case. So easy, right? Next. T. R. Tr. O. B. L. Tr. O. Tro. Bul. Trouble. Tro. O. Tro. Bul. Trouble. Right? Next. 5. N. O. No. N. O. No. Here GH children, these two letters are silent. You don't have to speak the sound. Silent means don't speak. This is called silence. When no one is speaking, we say this is silence. So silence means don't speak the sound of these words. So make this word letters silent. Don't speak the sound. No. This is silent. Don't speak the sound. This is T. Naughty. Now when you say naughty. Now this word letter sound is not coming. These two letters, when we speak naughty, this sound is coming now and T sound is coming. This letter sound is not coming. So these two letters are silent. Naughty, right? Silent words, how you will come to know when you read which words, letters I have to be silent? Children, when you read more and more, right? With practice of reading, you will get to know that which words have which letters silent, right? This comes with the practice of reading. So more and more words you will read, you will find yourself that in this word, these letters are silent. With practice, you will get. Now, the next is sixth. Bo, bo. Bo, bo. The. Bo, the. Bother, ad, bothered. Again, bo, the, th is here, the, bother, ad, bothered, right? Next, k, a, ka, k, a, ka. Here, T letter is silent. This is ch. I told you ch is ch, right? Catch. What is this? Catch. Here T is silent. Catch. Say catch. Catch. K is coming, ch is coming. So T is silent. You don't have to speak the sound of this, right? So these are certain words which I have taken from the chapter. Now you might have seen when I am reading, if any new word is given to you and if you use the sound, you can read each and every word. Now these were some from the chapter. Now let us practice some more words which are not related to the chapter, but they are little long to read. You might be knowing it. Even if you know, you have to see how to use the sound in this, right? Now let's come to this word. I'm writing. Now speak with me. What is this? X. Suppose this is the word given to you. Now how I am going to read this word, I'm telling you, right? Suppose this word you find, you might be knowing it. Even if you know, see this. How, if I don't know, suppose I am finding this word first time, how will I know how to read if I don't know, right? I know X. Take one word and the sound of one letter and take the sound of that. X. X. Right? Got it? X. Next. S-E. C. S-E. C. L. X. Sil. L. Sil. Lent. L and N T, lent. So what it is? Excellent. Got it? Excellent. Excellent. Got it? Now when you do dictation, right? When you have to write the spellings, when the teacher is speaking the word or somebody is telling you write this word, if you know the sound, first thing sound should come in the mind and then write the word. You will be able to write very correctly. Okay? Now next word, let's do this. Even if you know, see, wo, on, won, on, won, dar. ER is ar, dar. ER is ar. On, this is the sound of W. On, dar. Full. What it is? Wonderful. Right? You are wonderful, children. Okay. Next is, let's do one more. Read this word now. Bo. What is this? Bo. 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 Right? Bo. 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 K. This is how do we pronounce this? Right? Bu. K. Here T sound is not coming. Bu. K. This is K. We will pronounce like this. B. Right? U. Bu. Here Q is sounding as Q. Bouquet. This is bouquet. Right? Here T sound will not come. This whole is taken as K. K. Bouquet. So the spelling for bouquet is B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. How did I say? First this taken these letters. Bu. This is B-O-U. Bu. Right? K. T is silent. This is K. This is K. A sound is coming. K. Very short sound of this. K. Right? Bouquet. 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 This is A. T will not come. Right? So with the practice you will come to know that how to speak the words taking care of the sounds. Okay? So sound is very, very important. Now say again this word bouquet. Remember that T is silent. We don't have to say, right, T here. Que, K. A is there, so E is coming. This is K, bouquet. Say bouquet, bouquet. T is silent. It will come later when you write, it will come, but silent letter is silent. So this is how you are going to read all the words by taking care of the sound. So from today, whenever we will do the next chapter reading also, remember when I'll read, I will use the sounds. You also, when you read the chapter, you have to use the sound. After completing this lesson today, you have to read chapter 3 children again, the kids club. And remember, now when you read, you have to use the sounds and read. Right? After few days, you will find that you are able to read each and every word, even if it is class 6th book or any other book, you will be able to read. The only thing is read with the sound. It will help you in reading. It will help you in dictation also. You will get full marks in dictation too. Okay. So in the next video, what we are going to do? We are going to start with a new chapter. Okay. And I know that in grammar part, you have already done nouns. You have done singular, plural, right? So we will continue with the new chapter of the grammar. And I just want that you go through nouns again, right? Because the next chapter will be related to nouns. So for that, you should know the nouns, right? Nouns are, again, just 2 minutes recap. Nouns are naming words. Name of a person, place, animal, thing. All are nouns, right? You have done proper noun, you have done common noun, you have done abstract noun, right? So go through your all work, just read it once, understand, and then get ready for the next class. And I hope this reading part is clear. Now I told you the method how to read using sounds. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. You have understood the tips which I gave you how to read the chapter, right? So take care of the sounds. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.